Hello all, welcome to this course in which we will learn the basics of Plotly in context of data analysis, and data science, right? Again, by the way, Plotly is a package or a tool that is frequently used in case of data visualization. Again, by the way, data visualization is all about whenever you want to show your data in the form of visuals. Now you might ask, okay, this sounds good, but why there is a need? So imagine you are a data analyst, or let's say a data scientist at any top product-based companies. Let's say at Amazon, right? And let's say at Amazon, you have data of your customers. So imagine you have data of, let's say, 2 million customers. And let's say you have to analyze what are those customers that are going to purchase the product more frequently. Let's say this is a problem statement that you have. So the moment you have such a huge data, let's say 2 million data points, it is impossible to find, or it is impossible to tell what are those frequent customers. But by using some visualization, you can think of using bar, you can think of using pie, you can think of using your tree map, you can think of using your donut chart. So these are a couple of visualizations that you can think of. Again, apart from this, there are tens of visualizations that you can think of. Again, if some of these visualizations are alien to you, don't worry, we will cover each and every visualization in great detail, of course, in this course. Of course, this course is primarily about the basics. Again, since this is a free course, hence we have a restriction of 2-hour content. So please understand that we can't cover all the stuffs of Plotly itself in this course. Apart from this, Plotly is a god whenever you have to create the interactive and the dynamic visualization. Let's say you have a visualization. Let's say this is a visualization, right? And let's say the moment you hover your mouse over here, right? Let's say imagine this is the cursor of mouse. The moment you hover your mouse over here, you will end up getting the data of this bar. So if you have to create the interactive visualizations, it's always good to go with Plotly. Similarly, you can think of sharing this visualization to some other clients or to some other users, right? By just creating a dashboard, things like that. Apart from that, there's one more area which is all about the ease of use. Its syntax is very, very simple. Again, by the way, Plotly uses JavaScript under the hood just to return some of the beautiful visualization. So now let me give you some intro about the instructor of this course. Again, myself is Shan Singh, who will be your instructor throughout the course. Again, right now, I am a data scientist at Amazon. Again, apart from working at Amazon, I have worked at some of the top product-based companies. Again, apart from this corporate area life, I have more than 250k plus students at Udemy right now. Again, along with that, I am a best-selling and highest rated instructor at Udemy who has approximately 4.5 star rated out of 5. Again, of course, I have more than 20 plus courses at Udemy covering the entire area from data analysis to data science, machine learning, time series, natural language processing, statistics, spatial analysis, Python, and much more thing. Of course, all these courses are industry oriented. What it means is that in all these courses, you will get a hands-on on different use cases. Because again, this is the skill that you have to showcase in your resume, right? Of course, all these courses that I have made, they are especially made for the freshers or the beginner or someone who is a working professional. Again, please, if you are a working professional, please drop a message to us so that we will guide you better. Again, these courses are designed in such a way that you will do a successful transition into a data analyst or a data scientist or as a machine learning engineer role. Typically, these 3 or 4 roles are popular across the analytics industry. Again, since this is a free course right now, hence Udemy doesn't allow you to utilize the Q&A of the course. So what you can think is, you can directly message me in case if you have any doubts with the course, with the career or with the content, doesn't matter what you have. Please feel free to message to my personal profile on my Udemy. I will meet you in the course. Have a nice day and